Hello, hello, and let's talk about the curriculum guide for the first quarter in Mathematics 7, grade 7. So let's just dive right into it. Here we go. So we have in this table, the first column would be the content. So the content would be this one. Content standards, the learner will able to be demonstrate this. Performance standards, the learner is able to do this. And then what I'm really interested in is the learning competency, because all of this will serve as my outline for all the videos incoming. So I will have a video on this one and then this one. So you will see how many videos I will have for each quarter just by looking at the learning competency. Though some of the competencies here needs to be separated into the different videos. Okay. To my fellow teachers, I will use the code in the description. So if you don't know how to read the code, I implore you to read this. Here we go. So we have the code book legend right here. So we have a sample here. So first entry would be the subject and then the grade level. So Math 7. Then the second part would be the domain or content. Then a hyphen. This would be the first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter, and then lowercase letter for the week. And then for the learning competency, competency level. So you just need to input. If you have the same curriculum guide as me, you can just search this in my videos and it will go straight there. Okay, so for the first four, we will be talking about sets. And this is a great way for them to learn and develop their number sense. After that, you would have to give them absolute value, a great way to introduce integers and then perform their fundamental operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Next up, you would have to illustrate the different properties of operations on the set of integers. After integers, you would have to teach them about rational numbers. Of course, that would be fractions and decimals and others. Then you have to arrange them like integers and then perform their fundamental operations like what we did with integers. After rational, we would have irrational, and we would use the principal root to introduce it to them. Then it's all about estimation now. So determine between what two integers the square root of a number is, then estimate the square root of a whole number to the nearest 100. I believe this is the one without the calculator, and plots irrational numbers on a number line. Okay. And then we would have to illustrate the different subsets of real numbers. So what we've learned for the past quarter: irrational, rational, and integers. And then we would have to arrange real numbers in increasing or decreasing order. Write scientific notation. Write the numbers in scientific notation and vice versa. Usually, we don't teach them this anymore. It's all about application now, because usually the science teachers would have this earlier on. Okay, but in any case, I would still do a video on the scientific notation. After that, of course, we will have to represent real life situations which involve real numbers, which are basically just word problems, and then solve problems involving real numbers. Again, word problems, right? So hopefully there's just going to be 19 videos on the first quarter of grade 7 mathematics. Hopefully I'll be able to do that quickly, and I'll see you guys soon. Thank you.